just woke up and I looked out the window and it was very wet. Yeah, a hurricane came. And it really messed up. Oh, and also if y'all want to see how much it actually broke, aim the camera over there. The lights go out here. All night. And if you look, this is my sister. And she's never been on camera before. And there was a stop sign over there that got moved right in the middle of the road. If my mom lets me go inside, you can actually see the damage out of our window.